In this video, I'll show you how to send an SMS alert from Node-RED. Hey everyone, welcome to IoT Frontier. My name is Hariharnath. In this video, we'll be using Twilio Node for sending the SMS from Node-RED. So stay tuned until the end of this video to get all the steps right. Let's get started. First of all, you need to download and install Node-RED on your system. If you don't have Node-RED, you can watch my previous video shown on top right corner or in the description to do that. Now, I'll start Node-RED using command prompt. So I'll use administrator mode. If not, you can use a normal mode as well and then type Node-RED. Then I can open this localhost 1880. And then first thing I need to do is install a node from the palette that is called, so you can search for Twilio, and the first one you get is Node-RED Node Twilio. So I have already installed, you can also install it. So after that, you also need to create an account in Twilio. So open that Twilio and start for free. So you need to sign up by providing all the details. So I need to enter the verification code. So now you need to provide your mobile number so that you will get an SMS for verification code. And then you can verify. This is the recovery code. You need to store it, and it has to be very safe, because if you lose your phone or don't have access to the verification device, then this will be useful. So then continue. Now you need to enter some of the details that they are asking. So I can select other because I'm using Node-RED, and then get started. So here you can see under trial version, you will be getting $15.5. So you need to utilize whatever the SMS or what kind of services you are going to use within that amount. So next thing that you need to do is you need to get a Twilio phone number. So click on get phone number. Now I have got this Twilio phone number as well. And the next thing that you can do is you can note down this account SID in your notepad, and then this auth token also should be safe. So we have stored 3 of them. So after this, you can click on next. So it will try to send a basic SMS to your mobile ID. So right now it is sending to my mobile from the Twilio account. So it will send. So we can type the body like hello. So now I have got that message from the Twilio. You can click on next, and so it will be giving you sample code and those things, but right now we don't want to do that, so we can directly go back to our Node-RED. First, we'll create an inject node, and then create a function node, and then after installation of that node of Twilio, we'll search for that and drag and drop this Twilio, connect them. Now double click on this Twilio and create this add new Twilio API. So account SID, you just add that whatever you have noted previously, and from you can mention the Twilio number that you got, token you have copied previously, and then add. So now the output should be SMS, and 2 can be your mobile number, and then you can type Twilio. So after this, you need to write a function. So in this function, you need to mention the message.payload. So if you don't want to put phone number here in the Twilio node, you can also either use it via message.topic. But I have already put that, so I'll just comment that, and here I'll give the message that I want to send. I'll say message, first message from Node-RED using Twilio. Now click on done and deploy. Now I'll also show you side by side my mobile, and then we can click on this timestamp so that we can see a message has been sent or not. So now you can see a message has been received. So I can open that and see I have seen this message right now. So these were the previous messages that I just tried out, and now you can see this is the first message. So like this, you can use a function app and modify the payload as per your application. For example, if you want to do based on the threshold value in the water flow meter or some kind of alarms that you want to send, whatever you want to send, you can use the logic of this in the function app and try to send the message by triggering that message. And that's it. You have learned how to send SMS alerts from Node-RED. If you found this video informative, please type helpful in the comment section below and smash that like button. If you would like to learn how to send WhatsApp messages from Node-RED, then please comment in the comment section so that I can plan for a video on that. I've also created a video on building IoT dashboard using MintStack with Raspberry Pi. You can watch it now from top right corner or in the end cards. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating more content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another interesting video.